Getting the lion's share, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, get the lion's share. This idiom has a rich history and is widely used in both spoken and written English. Our journey today will help you understand its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this captivating expression. The phrase, get the lion's share, refers to receiving the largest portion or majority of something, especially when sharing between a group of people or entities. It implies that the person or entity getting the lion's share has obtained a significantly greater amount compared to others. This idiom is often used in contexts involving the division of resources, such as money, time, or attention. The origin of get the lion's share can be traced back to one of Aesop's fables, a collection of stories credited to Aesop, a storyteller believed to have lived in ancient Greece. The specific fable tells the story of a lion who goes hunting with other animals. Upon capturing their prey, the lion claims the largest parts for himself, leaving the others with very little or nothing. This story highlights themes of power and inequality, and it's from here that the idiom gets its metaphorical meaning. To help you understand how to use get the lion's share in real-life situations, let's look at a few examples. In business, in the recent merger, the larger company received the lion's share of the assets, leaving little for the smaller company. In family situations, during the holidays, my elder brother always seems to get the lion's share of attention from our relatives. In daily conversation, when we divided the pizza, John took the lion's share, and we were left with just a slice each. When using the phrase, get the lion's share, keep these tips in mind. 1. Context matters. It's best used in situations involving distribution or sharing, where there is a clear disparity in what is received. 2. Tone and implication. The idiom can imply unfairness or dominance, so be mindful of the tone and context to avoid unintended offense. 3. Variety in language. Experiment with using similar idioms or expressions to enrich your English vocabulary and fluency. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of get the lion's share. We hope this video has been informative and has added a valuable piece to your English language learning puzzle. Remember, idioms like this one are keys to unlocking the subtleties of the language, making your communication more colorful and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to get your lion's share of English knowledge. Until next time, happy learning!